you've never done a cold start on the Cummins, it's like 6 degrees outside right now. Some places it's like 0. I haven't actually checked it, but we can check it right now. Okay, so it's 8 degrees out right now. I don't know if you can see it or not, probably too bright, but let's see how she does in the cold. Well, apparently not very well. Charge the batteries, we'll do a cold start. Tim, why is your beard pointy?
This is what happens when you play with propane and a furnace and light it the wrong way. You like that? I'm gonna have to do some serious trimming on that. It could have been really bad. Thankfully, we survived. Kind of missing some eyebrows and eyelashes. My poor beard. But we survived. We do have heat though. We put in a furnace this morning.
So the furnace is in a back room. We just cut holes in the side of the wall. And that is warm air coming right at us. And then it's filtered air, so we're safe. And we'll never ever have a problem.
What we're gonna do is I got the oil pan done. I actually got it done a couple weeks ago. We've just been so busy with other stuff. We got the oil pan all wrapped up. It turned out pretty good. I mean, we cut this whole chunk out of there. I'd say it turned out pretty good. All facts considered, using a spool gun instead of a TIG. I did warp it, but I figured out how to get it straight again. It's good enough. It's gonna work. It's a Duramax and a Jeep after all, come on. So what we're gonna do is, things have been a little slow. We're kind of dragging a little bit. We're gonna rip the engine out. We're gonna get both the upper and the lower oil pan on. And so we can get oil in this thing. We definitely won't get to starting it today, which is a bummer. But if we can get this part done, then we just got to deal with that rat's nest of wires up there. We're so close to starting it. I also put it somewhere. I have the ECM now. I got that back, so that's super exciting. Bam! There you go. So close. Let's get this engine ripped out and get this oil pan on. Not like we haven't already done this 100 times.
They need to see it one more time.
One more time. Now the hard part that I can't get to.
All right, she's been charging for like 1,000 hours, so see if she starts. Well, she started, so that's cool. I'm not sure what's doing the draw on the battery, but we'll figure it out. I put the snow plow on for the first time, so my guess is the snow plow is pulling something, or pulling some amperage or something, I don't know. All right, we're gonna let that run. Let's go see what Tim's doing.
All right, I already put the pan up there. Everything seems to fit pretty good. I don't believe we're hitting in any of these spots. We're gonna just go full steam ahead and put silicone on and send her home. welded up this pan, I warped it mainly in this area here because there was so much welding. And so I had a gap here I had to kind of fill in. And then trying to bend this side back, I actually left myself a gap here because I bent it the other way. But it all came up really good. Really happy with that. We got a brand new lower oil pan we're gonna slap on there. And then we'll be ready to put oil in it. Oh, I guess I should put the low oil sensor in there too.
You don't really need it. Your engine will tell you.
That big hole in the side is gonna kind of play a big part in that. On with the big, beautiful new oil pan. It'd be nice if the 2 studs that were supposed to be there were there.
Oh, my truck's still running.
Oh, that's not correct. 3 bolt holes don't line up. We got it all bolted up, and 2 bolt holes don't line up. This bolt and this bolt don't line up with a hole. In my oil pan, I got a bolt here, and a bolt here. So we're gonna try and get at least one of these 2 in there. It's gonna be kind of a guessing game, but I'd like to at least have one. That's quite a gap to go without having a bolt in there. It's not the right way to do it, but it's what we're gonna do. It's a Jeep after all. It's gonna be my excuse.
Does that help?
No. So.
Oh, it should be like this to help.
That's right. So 2 5/16. So we're just gonna see what happens. The problem is drilling.
You want to tap a little?
We might have to. Yeah. See how close I was on that. No.
Like that.
But we found the hole. Try that. There we go.
We found it.
Hey, that one fit, guys. I guess let's go 2 for 2.
Because where's the next one, we think?
Oh man, my shiny new oil pan. I can't say no one will ever know between you guys watching and the 3 extra bolt holes here kind of give it away. But it's on, it's sealed, it's perfect. All right, what we're gonna try and do is, you can see, maybe, there you go, kind of. This is the oil pressure sensor here, which the mice were kind enough to chew off for us. But what I'm doing is I have to give the Jeep ECM oil pressure as well, and I don't want to tee into here. I have a fitting that I think will fit in these. These are oil galley plugs, so we're going to try and pop this one off because then I can come up away from the exhaust manifold. So let's see if we can zip that guy out. It may or may not work. Okay. It's moving. I don't know if there's oil in there or not. Now, if it leaks, we're semi-prepared. That seems really tight. Huh?
That seems like it would be tight.
Yeah, that's definitely the oil galley. That looks right. Let's try and see. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna use an aluminum sealing washer that they provided. I don't know if that's what it's meant for. Here's the adapter. You can buy these at most any auto parts store. They come in a bag. It looks like this. We got a whole bunch of adapters. And so this is the plug. This is the oil pressure sensor for the Jeep. And this threads right in here, if I can actually make it. I just did it. There we go. So AJ is going to be nice enough to do this for me, even though he doesn't know that. Nice job. It's not necessary. This actually uses an aluminum crush washer, but I'm going to put pipe dope on it anyway. Just a little extra peace of mind. Okay, get that guy started in, maybe. There we go. I hope this isn't going to hit anything. Actually, that lines up quite nicely, actually. And there's that. We'll have to watch when we're putting it in and not snap it off. Something else goes in there.
All right, guys. What color do you think that is? The better question is, what did Tim think it was? Tim's guess was brown, or purple, brown. Yeah, it's pink and yellow. We're so proud of you, Tim.
I've been wanting to get this done for quite a while, so it's out of our hair, because that is just not fun to do. But it's done. We figured out where all the wires went. This is the oil pressure sensor that's going to go to the Jeep. It's not on the gauge, but that way the ECM has it. Get those all in wire loom and closed in so they're solid. This engine's ready to go back in. So next time, put a new oil filter on, which I do have. Put fresh oil, 2.5 gallons in here. And we'll figure out what it's going to take to get this thing to fire off in the Jeep. Super, super excited. Once we get that done, then we finish integrating the Jeep wiring. So we wasted a lot of time getting heat going, but this time of year, heat is kind of a necessity. You can see our, I almost said you can see our voice. You can see our breath. I'm struggling. It's cold because we shut the heater off, but it is a necessity this time of year in Michigan. It was 0 this morning. I actually think my truck said it was -1 on the way in this morning. So the fact that it's 35 in here and we've had the heat off for over an hour, we can't really complain. But we're ready to see this thing fire off. Catch us next time. If you haven't checked out the other videos on this Duramax Jeep or some of our other videos, we've got the Cummins Swap F350, we've got the Duramax Avalanche, and some others mixed in there. So go check all those out. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.